No more toilet paper again? I guess I'll try Safeway next. Ugh, I think I need to cough. Allergies.